The Federal Way Public Transit Center. Brought to you by Canada. Hey, Alex. What are we doing?
We're going to luncheon.
We're going to lunch at Jay's Asian Grill.
What is it, dearest mother?
Alex,
Oh,
say hi.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, everybody. For once, I'm not going to say what channel you're watching because it's kind of obvious that you already saw if you clicked on this video. So let's...
It's in our intro, too.
Yeah, let's do a vlog, huh?
Woo!
All you can eat Asian barbecue life. When you see this food next, it's gonna be cooked. I'm cutting his face out for legal reasons, but it's really cool. You get to watch the food get cooked. Listen, if you live anywhere near the Seattle, Kent, or Federal Way, Washington area, like Alex and I do, come to Jay's Asian Grill. It's an amazing all-you-can-eat buffet. We've eaten here before. We're just vlogging it because we happened to come here. The food is a solid 50 out of 10. Try it. It's worth it. Lunchtime. Oh, delicious food.
I go here for the water chestnuts.
We feel like we're gonna explode, and we have ice cream. How was lunch, Alex?
Delicious.
Yeah.
I'm so bloated, I might actually die.
I'm going to kill ourselves.
Okay.
Blur is in murder.
Hey, end the video. You butt. Press the button. Red button.
There's a big red button, and you should never press big red buttons.
Big red button.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you know why I pulled you over today?
No.
You were speeding. The speed limit here is 4 miles an hour. I clocked you going 666.
I'm sorry, officer. I was in a rush. I was trying to get to hell faster. I still have the hiccups, oh god.
Beep, beep. Oh.
Jesus Christ, I think I hit a bug. Or a bird.
Hey, Alex. I wonder how strong the speakers in this car are. You want to test it?
And Lucky Luciano about the same soprano. When I know the way you feel. And baby,
Whoever said that metalheads can't enjoy good fucking rap needs to kill themselves.
you can sit on the back and let the biz out, whiz out. Ride the true side. How you feel? I'm up the crowd. My new head, dude. Outfits from you. $50 socks, $100,000 shoes. Man, I get a boost.
That was a fun little vlog, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, if you watched the Happy New Year video, then you know all the announcements, so there is none at the end of this one. You've been watching Dinosaur Punch Media, and we'll be back on January 7th with another new video. We'll see y'all then. Bye! Dinosaur Punch Media.